Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach class 5 maths exercise 17. Okay, factors and multiples. Okay, so first question says that write the first six multiples of 6. I have taken two examples. Okay, so let's start solving. 6. It is very simple. First we will multiply by 1, then by 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and at last 6, because we haven't said 6. Okay, so 6 1 is 6, 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, and 6 is 36. This is the answer. Okay, same we will do 21 multiply with first 21 the 21 20 1 2 the it is 42 21 3 the this is 63 21 4 the that is 84 21 5 the that is 105 21 6 the that is 126. This is the answer, and this type you will solve a raised one. Okay, now we solve the second number. Question says that write all the factors of each of the following numbers. Okay, so first number 18. Okay, now let's start. Solution 18. You know by which table it can be cut? By which table? You know that it can be right. 18 can be written as 1 into 18. Also by 2 it can be right 2 into 9. And which table also 3 6 18, and now 4 no 5 table no 6 also. By 9 also 9 to jar 18 1 jar. So factors you have to write all this number 3 and all this number. So factors are equal to 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. This is the answer. This type you will solve. Means you have to find first number which table can be cut this 18, this number given number. So 1 by 18, by 2 9, by 3 6 times. Okay, 4 can't, 5 can't, and 6 3 ja, and also 9 2 ja, and this time. And now we solve the next. Also 16 60, that is we can write 1 into 60. Again by 2 you can write 2 into 30. By 3 also 3 20 times. By 4 also, by 4 15 4 ja 60, and by 5 5 how many times 12. Okay, now 6 10 ja, now 7 can't, 8 also can't, 9 can't, and again it will repeat by 10, then 12, then 15 20 30 60. Okay, so you have to write the factors 1 2, all these numbers you write first 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 10, then 12 15 20 30 and 60. This is the answer. This type you will solve the rest. Now we solve the third number question. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? So rule says that, rule already, I have taught you already. If one digit is 2 4 6 8 or 0, then we can say the given numbers is divisible by 2. Okay, only we have to check once a digit. Right, solution that since this is the symbol of since one's digit equal to 6, Okay, therefore 976 is divisible by 2. This much you have to write. This is the answer. It means this is the divisible by 2. Okay, now H number solution. Similar you have to do that. Since one's digit equal to 9, you know 9 does not match of these numbers, so therefore 299 is not divisible by 2. Okay, very easy. We will solve the next. Now we solve the fourth number question. Question says that which of the following numbers are divisible by 3? Okay, so the rule says that if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. Okay, so let's start. First number question, we have to check 837. So you have to write that since the sum of the digits 8 plus 3 plus 7, that is 18. Okay, and 18 is divisible by 3, therefore 837 is divisible by 3. This type you will solve. Okay, I solve one more question. First we have to find the sum of the digits. The sum of the digits 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7. Okay, 3 1 4 4 5 9 and 4, that is 13 plus 7 20. Okay, and 20 is not divisible by 3, therefore this is since now, therefore given number is not divisible by 3. This type you will solve the rest. Now we solve the fifth number. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 4? And the rule says that if the number formed by its last 2 digits on its extreme right is divisible by 4, it means we have to check the last 2 digits starting from the ones and tens. It means that is ones and that is tens. 42 we have to check, and here 94 we have to check. That if 94 is divisible by 4, then this number will be divisible by 4. Okay, so I start solution. So since the last 2 digits equal to 94, okay, and 94 is divisible by 4 or not, we don't know, so we will divide this one by in rough 4 2 times it is 8, so 4 3 is 12, 2 is the remainder, it means this number is not properly divisible by 4, and 94 is not divisible by 4, therefore 894 is not divisible by 4. This much you have to write. Okay, now we check G number. Also 42, this is not divisible by 4, so G number also not divisible, will be not divisible by 4. I take one more example which could be divisible by 4, that is H number, that is Okay, here last two digit is 12. Okay, so we will write since the last two digits equal to 12 and 12 is divisible by 4. You know already 4 3 is 12. Therefore, we have to write given number is divisible by 4. This type you have to solve. Okay. Now we solve the sixth number. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 5? Okay. So by 5 the rule says that if one's digit is 0 or 5, then the given number will be divisible by 5. Only we have to check the ones digit. Okay. So here 0 given, it means so this number will be divisible by 5. Here 7 given, not means, so this number is not divisible by 5. So write since one's digit equal to 0, therefore given number is divisible by 5. Only this much you have to write. Okay. Now here since one's digit equal to 7, therefore given number is not divisible by 5. Okay, this time you will solve the rest at your home. Okay, till then bye, have a good time.